Morning guys, and welcome to day 2 of the Welsh tour. Yesterday was interesting. It was wet all day long. We had rain pretty much from the start, so when we left North Devon we had rain pretty much all the way until we got to Machynlleth, where we stopped at the bridge across the River Dovey, which was flooded to heck, and then the sun came out for a bit. Well, when I say the sun came out, it stopped raining. The sun did try to burn through the clouds, and then we pushed on and we got to the Menai Straits, where we stayed in our lovely hotel last night. I had a great meal, and today, day 2, we're going to basically do a lap of Snowdonia. We're going to head over Llanberis Pass, head towards Betsy Coed, and then across to a big massive waterfall, so the highest single drop waterfall in the UK, I believe. Then we're going to head to Llanberis and do a lap of the reservoir there, Llanberis, or the lake, sorry. And then we're going to push our way back to the Menai Straits, where we'll be staying for another night before heading back south on day 3. So it's so peaceful here today. We just sat having breakfast and looking out to the straits. So we got the drone out first thing as well. So the hotel's full of football players. So the local Bangor football team, they pretty much staying in the hotel at the moment. But yeah, we're going to get the bikes out. Nick's loving his KTM. He's not stopped talking about it. It's getting a bit boring. Not really. So yeah, we're going to head on and do a lap, and hopefully you come along with the ride. See you in a minute. Talking to myself. Nick, how's the experience so far been for you? How was yesterday?
Wet but wonderful.
Wet but wonderful.
Yeah, it's been really fun. Really enjoyed it. For a wet ride, that was my favourite wet ride ever.
Ever. Good.
So good.
Looking forward to today?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay, quick battery stop. I just come through well, we're in Festiniog still. We were just saying it's quite bleak town. I'm not saying that in a bad way. It's just like it's quite grey with all the slate, and there's a curb. Old mining town and stuff. So we're gonna head our way to Fistelreda now. Fistelreda. It's the waterfall. Hey ho. Up the mountain we go. That road with the categories was fun.
That first one was a bit hairy.
I didn't know where it was going to go half the time. I was like, yeah, left, yeah, right. But
Quite engaging. I was like, yeah.
yeah, but it reminds me of Devil's Staircase in South Wales, because it's like you go over. You knew there was a corner coming, but you went over like a change in elevation, but you didn't know where you were going to go until you crested the hill, and then it was like. But I'm going to get the drone out.
Yeah, it could be like that in the Lake District as well.
Yeah. Like Kirkstone Pass is a little bit like that, and Hard Knot Pass. And you never know if there's going to be something lying or sunbathing in the road. A little sheepy.
That was good, that. I'm really into my riding now.
Good.
Yeah.
I should hope you're into your riding. Always.
Yeah, but I don't know, since I keep saying it, but since Truxton, it's really given me a lot of confidence.
Good. Alright, drone o'clock. Llyn Celyn, guys. So just basically come down the road this way, goes all the way around the bottom of Llyn Celyn, and we've stopped the bikes and we're walking across the dam at the moment. But you're disorientated now because I'm all over the place with the camera. But Llyn Celyn, this reservoir here used to be a village about 50-60 years ago, and they had a great idea of flooding it, so they relocated all the villagers and they flooded the valley to build a reservoir so they could get enough water to supply Merseyside or Liverpool, which is bizarre considering we're in Wales and Liverpool's by the sea and there's obviously the Mersey and stuff, but yeah, so Wales had to suffer for that one. But it's a beautiful day, sun is shining in places, and we're making our way to Pistol Reader.